Mentri Sorkar Jylla kong Ampareen Lyngdoh kala pyntip shym dan satia ki Nong Meghalaya kiba Mynsaw na Jingkylla karal North East Express ha Boxar District ke Bihar ke baja ha miet sngi Balang. Shuh iathuh baka tnad railway ke Sorkar Pdeng kala ktien ke Sorkar Jylla shym dan satia ki Nong Meghalaya kiba Mynsaw ha ke jingjia. Iathuh baka Sorkar Jylla kala iakren berki ophisar ke tnad railway ke Sorkar Pdeng lum jingtip kham bniah halor ke Jingkylla karal.
I've just been briefed. In fact, the Honorable Chief Minister himself has already communicated over Twitter. He tweeted saying that government of Meghalaya is in touch with the railway officials at the exact location of the derailment of that train. So just in case people have not yet received that information, the helpline number that has already been initiated is 1800-345-3644. I repeat, 1800-345-3644. As of now, the list of the railway department does not include any citizen of the state of Meghalaya. Injured citizen of the state of Meghalaya. In case there is anyone who happens to need any assistance from the government of Meghalaya, may kindly call these phone numbers or kindly search for the Honorable Chief Minister of the state of Meghalaya, Mr. Conrad K. Sangma's tweet. All other numbers of transport officers, Guwahati Meghalaya House, and other officers who have been placed on duty for this matter. I hope that we will not have any such report of any casualties, and we are still now seeking more information.